English. If you don't speak in English, no salary.
Sarili. No worries. I'm going to teach you. That's mama. I'm mommy. Just come or just arrive here. Just enjoy. Let's go. Let's go na, mama. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Come here, come here. I'm so thirsty, mama. I want water. Milani, come here, please.
Mom.
Can you give me 1 glass of water with ice, please?
Water.
Yes, yes.
Sa ma'am.
Thank you. Are you thirsty, Mama?
Yes.
Mama also wants water.
Ma'am, yan na ma'am.
Where's the ice and this water? Ice.
Ice, ma'am.
Yes, ice.
Ice. Mata, ma'am.
Can your eyes can make cold with water? Is this eyes can make the water cold? What do you think, Milan?
Madam, ayos magkuno yung ayos kuno. Ayos is mata man, mata is ice. Mata, ice is ice. Di ko ala, di na ako.
No worries, Mama. Don't be mad. That's fine. Melanie can learn later. So relax, Mama. I love you. Well, that's okay. That's fine, Melanie. No worries. Thank you.
Ay, thank you, ma'am. Kaya nakasabutra ka na ho, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for this water.
Ay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, kaya nakasabutra ka na ho.
You're welcome. Okay, Mama, I'm going to teach Melanie what is ice. I'm gonna get in the fridge. Wait for a while. Okay, this is the ice, huh? Ice for the water. Not your ice. This is the ice, the real ice that can make the water cold. Did you understand?
Ma'am. Kasabutan na yung pulsa ng ice. Kanini ay. Kuya ang mata.
Yes,
Wala
yes.
ko mata. Mana ang ice. Ang iba ang mata.
No Bisaya, only English. No salary, no speak English.
Ma'am. Di ba ito kasabutan ng English, ma'am? Nagtirap-tirap na galing akong mata. Kayo na ho na kung sa tong ice. Kanya ka, pa-speak ko pa ito ko rin mo kay English, ma'am. Di na
No
ko na
worries.
English, ma'am.
No, later you're gonna learn. I'm gonna teach you. Let's have snack. Don't stress it. Let's go, Mama. Don't be high blood. Come here, come here. Let's go, Mama. Let's go.
1 glass for you, Melanie. And 1 of those Melanie and 1 toothbrush.
Okay, it's okay, madam. Thank you.
Mama, it's okay. You can have this, Melanie. She's hungry. She worked a lot in the house. That's fine. I'm going to give you more later when Mama's busy on her phone.